Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the color theme in Google Chrome, whether you want to add a personal touch with custom colors or install a ready-made theme from the Chrome Web Store. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to make Chrome look uniquely yours, and you'll see how quick and easy it is to switch things up whenever you feel like a fresh look. Let's jump right in with the simplest way to customize your Chrome theme, using the New Tab page. Go ahead and open a new tab. Down in the bottom right corner, you'll see a small pencil icon labeled Customize Chrome. Give that a click. Instantly, a side panel will slide in, giving you several appearance options. This is the control center for sprucing up your browser's colors and background. First up is the Appearance section. Here, Chrome offers a handful of preset color combinations, which is perfect if you just want a quick burst of color. If you're feeling creative, you can pick a custom color instead. Imagine setting it to match your company brand, your favorite sports team, or just a color that makes you happy. You even have the option to upload your own background image for that extra personal touch. Maybe a favorite photo, a calming landscape, or even your pet. Anything that puts a smile on your face when you open Chrome. As you make your selections, you'll see Chrome automatically adapts in real time, so you don't have to worry about losing your changes. Feel free to experiment here, try out different combinations, and see what feels right for you. Once you're happy with your choices, simply close the side panel. It's all saved automatically. There's no confirm button, and no steps to remember. Chrome really makes this part effortless. Now, if you're looking for even more options like professionally designed themes or adventurous color palettes, you'll want to head over to the Chrome Web Store. Start by clicking the three dots, those are the menu, in the top right corner of your browser window. From here, select Settings. In the left-hand menu, choose Appearance. Then click on Themes. This will whisk you straight to the Chrome Web Store, opening a world of choices designed by artists and creators from around the globe. Take your time browsing through the store. You'll find everything from cozy sunset gradients and elegant dark modes, all the way to playful superhero themes or minimalist monochrome looks. If you already have something specific in mind, there's a handy search bar where you can type in keywords, maybe blue ocean or solar system, and see what pops up. When you find a theme you love, click on its name to open its detail page. You'll see a preview of how it will look in your browser. Very helpful for visualizing the change before you commit. If it's the one for you, just hit Add to Chrome. In a few moments, Chrome applies the new theme across all your tabs and windows. Don't be surprised if it takes a moment or two to download. It's worth letting Chrome do its thing. And if you ever change your mind, maybe that neon green is a bit too much for Monday mornings, going back to the default look is simple. Just head to Settings, then Appearance, and click Reset to Default. Instantly, Chrome reverts to its classic style, like nothing ever happened. Changing your Chrome theme is a great way to make your browser feel more welcoming and personal, whether you're working, studying, or just browsing the web for fun. I hope this guide helped you take full control of Chrome's appearance today. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a like, and let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.